Hey gang, this is Matt. You know that can of beans in your survival kit right now? You know, the one that says expired in 2022? Is that going to keep you alive, or is that going to send you to the hospital? Stick around, because what I'm about to tell you is going to change the way you stock your survival pantry. Let's get into it. Okay, here in Florida, we don't have the luxury of ignoring food storage. You know, hurricane season runs June through November, and if you're not prepared, you're going to be eating whatever you can find after the storm passes. So, understanding what these dates on the bottom of your canned goods actually means could literally be the difference between eating well during a disaster or going hungry. So here's the truth that the food industry doesn't want you to know. Those expiration dates on your food, they are not what you think. In most countries, including the United States, expiration dates are not regulated by the government. That means those dates aren't about safety, they're about quality. The date printed on your can tells you when the manufacturer thinks the product will taste best, not when it becomes unsafe to eat. Now, let's decode what these labels actually mean, because not all dates are created equal. There's 4 dates you need to know. Number 1. Best by or best of use by. That is about quality, not safety. Your food might lose a little taste or texture after this date, but it is almost certainly still safe to eat. For your survival pantry, this date is basically meaningless. Number 2, the use by date. Again, this is about peak quality, not spoilage. Unless you're talking about baby formula or something like that, this date does not mean the food becomes harmful the next day. Tell my wife that. Number 3, the sell-by date. This date isn't even for you. That date is for the store. That tells the retailers how long to display the product. Now, food is often still perfectly good days or even weeks after this date. Number 4, the expires on date. This is the closest thing to a hard cutoff, but it mostly applies to medications and baby products, not the canned foods in your hurricane kit. So what's the bottom line here? That best by date on your can of chicken is the manufacturer telling you when it'll taste best by, not when it becomes garbage. So if expiration dates aren't about safety, why do they exist at all? Why are they even on there? 2 words: consumer confidence. Food companies want you to enjoy their product at its absolute best. And more importantly, they want you to buy more of it. If that can of soup starts tasting a little off, you might blame the brand. So they put a short best by date on it to nudge you into throwing it out and buying a replacement. That way they make more money. Even if what you threw away was perfectly safe to eat, they don't care. Here in Florida, that means people are throwing out perfectly good hurricane supplies every single year. And that's like food that could have fed their family through a week-long power outage, man, because of a date that was never meant to be a hard rule. The USDA estimates Americans throw away 90 billion pounds of food every year. You know how much that is? That's a lot. And a significant chunk of that is perfectly edible canned goods sitting in pantries and survival kits just like yours. Again, tell my wife that. So how do you actually know if your canned food's still good? Well, your senses are the best survival tool here. Look at it, smell it, taste a small amount. If it looks normal, smells fine, and tastes okay, it's almost certainly safe. Again, that's that if it looks like a duck and walks like a duck and quacks, is a duck. So here's what to actually watch out for. If your can's rusted or swollen or leaking or the lid's bulging, throw it out immediately. That bulging lid's a sign of bacterial activity inside, and that is genuinely dangerous. But a can that looks perfectly normal and just has a date from 2 years ago, hell, open it up, give it a sniff. Chances are you're looking at a perfectly good meal for Canteen Cup Tuesday, as a matter of fact. So let me give you some real numbers for your Florida hurricane pantry. Canned goods stored properly can last anywhere from 2 to 5 years beyond the printed date. Some can last indefinitely. Rice and pasta, they can last months to years. past the best by date if they're kept in a cool, dry place. Eggs, 3 to 5 weeks past the sell by date if they're kept in a refrigerator. And here in Florida, when the power goes out for days at a time after a storm, knowing this could save you from some very bad decisions about what to eat and what to throw away. Okay, there is good news, and the good news is that people are waking up to this finally. Organizations like the Natural Resources Defense Council have been pushing for standardized labeling with clearer language. Use by for actual safety concerns, best by for quality suggestions only. Some grocery chains are already offering discounts on products close to their best by dates instead of throwing them out. And you can get some good deals if you know what to look for. But until the labels change entirely, the knowledge is yours right now. Expiration dates are about perception, not precision. They don't mean your food turns dangerous at midnight on that printed date. You have more control over your food supply than the packaging wants you to believe. Okay, so the next time you're rotating your canned goods from your hurricane kit or your bug out bag or your car camping kit or wherever the hell you're keeping your canned goods, and you come across a can that's a little past the due date or maybe a lot past the due date, don't automatically throw it out. Check the can first. If the top's not swollen, if it's not dented, if the top doesn't have rust around it, and of course if it's not leaking, take one of the cans, open it up, use your senses, taste a little bit of it. Does it taste okay? Smell it. Does it smell okay? If that smells okay and tastes okay, then the rest of them are probably okay. That's real survival thinking right there. Once again, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, please drop down and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up on this video and leave me a comment down below and tell me how many cans your wife throws out when they're one day past the due date. I yell at my wife all the time for doing that, but she don't seem to get it. So, once again, check the due dates on your survival food. It's not a Bible, but learn what they mean. Once again, this is Matthew, Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.